you don't brush your teeth the entire time.
Oh. I would last approximately 3 days before someone started calling me Chewbacca. You bend over, if I can see any sprouts coming out the back, then you just... You've recently been filming the upcoming season of Survivor. Let's start from the beginning. What are you even allowed to pack?
Oh my gosh, yes, Australian Survivor Redemption. I'm so excited. It was the most difficult thing of my life packing to go.
Not
I'm
doing
kidding.
it, packing.
I struggle to pack for a weekend away. It takes me ages. Trying to decide what I was allowed to take was extremely stressful, probably more stressful than like applying.
Oh, okay. So what did you decide on?
You can wear one outfit and then take 5 items. I'm talking items.
Oh, so in my mind, I'm like 5 outfits?
No.
5
items.
Plus what you're wearing.
So one item would be undies and a bra. And I'm like, I can't spend an item on that.
No.
I didn't take undies in the show.
Fair, though.
At all.
Fair.
So I'm either in my bikini or I'm freeballing.
Or, wait, so you didn't even wear any?
Nope. No.
Or can you hack the system and when you're getting dressed with your outfit? No? Okay. No. I'm like, when you're getting on an aeroplane and you layer up. So you're wearing like 3 pairs of shorts, 2 pairs of undies. Okay, you can't do that.
No. Hoodie, a pair of jeans. They were like baggy cargo jeans.
So comfy.
Comfy, yeah. And durable.
Immediately I just got in my head these type that I've unbuttoned because they're tight. So
because nothing dries there either. It's tropical. If something gets a bit wet and damp, like all my clothes were damp the entire time. I took a one-piece active romper thing.
Oh, yeah.
For challenges.
Cute.
Then an active pair of shorts. I had and then what was the other one? What was the other item?
A toothbrush? A hairbrush?
No toothbrush. No toothbrush.
Wait,
no
you're not allowed to? Or that's not one of your 5 items?
You don't brush your teeth the entire time.
Oh. Surely that's an OH&S issue.
You don't. You can't.
Do you just get used to it?
You don't have soap, babe. You don't.
Oh.
You don't have soap. Yeah, you don't brush your teeth. No
deodorant?
No deodorant.
Oh.
No.
Surely that's...
You don't have a brush. Like you don't have anything. So we would get bits of bamboo.
Your teeth look really nice. Did you have to get some dentals afterwards?
It was really nice to brush them afterwards,
I
must say.
Like the best ever.
Yes.
So you would get what, sorry? Like
a bit of bamboo and we would cut it down so it was like a bit fluffy on the end and we would use that to... We'd all be like squatting around the fire, just going, how was your day?
How are you going?
Yeah.
Walk us through your regular sort of beauty routine.
Right. So
as a full-time model.
One thing that people find interesting is my fake tan. I'm addicted to fake tan. I know that it'd be great to embrace my paleness, but I just can't do it. And for photo shoots, it just looks better for me. Personally, I'm all about moisturizer. Before bed, I'll try and do like some hyaluronic acid, and then I've got this overnight Clinique mask thing that I like to put on if I can remember. Obsessed with Lanolips, like constant. Like I've got one in every handbag. And then so I use Skin Institute for taking off my makeup, washing my face every day or a couple of times a day. Yeah, morning and night. Morning and night.
5 times a day, I wash my face.
Hold on, I'll be right back. I gotta go wash my face.
It's time. You got like a little bit OCD after not being able to wash it for so long.
So yeah, Skin Institute, a cleanser, and then if I need a bit more of a scrub, the lactic acid. It's so good.
Yes.
Like I won't get breakouts if I use that.
Did you have a go at formulating anything for yourself?
I did.
Oh my God. Tell us.
So a couple of things I think you'll find is super interesting. It's coconuts, right? So all we could eat there was rice, beans and coconuts. That is it. It was, anyways, I miss pizza so much. Coconuts go through different phases when they fall off the tree. They're like big and green.
Did you have to get them down yourselves?
We found them.
Okay. I'm imagining you
climb a tree. Coconut.
I don't know why, but I just feel like
I would.
You would be the one that would end up at the top of the tree. Guys!
Then everyone's like, What happened to Lyndl?
Oh, we forgot her. She's still up there trying to shake the coconuts off.
At certain stages of the coconut ripening, there is one where it's like quite fluffy inside, and we'd call it floss or something. And you could use the oil as lip balm.
Ooh.
Or like scrape some out, and I'd be putting it through my hair because my hair was so dry.
Yeah.
It was like crusty.
You felt like it was about to snap off.
Well, because all you would do is go in the ocean to wash it, and other than that, it's just getting like sweaty and gross. Like, I use dry shampoo most days, and I wash my hair a lot because it gets styled a lot in a lot of product.
So I've just realised no shampoo, no soap,
no shampoo, no nothing. People would dig for pippies to try and add something into the rice. So all the girls would ask that they leave us the shells because you can use them as tweezers. How crazy is that?
That is genius.
It's genius.
I didn't even think about that because of the hair.
Babe, no razors. No.
I am so hairy. I would last approximately 3 days before someone started calling me Chewbacca. I pluck every single day.
Where? What?
Everywhere.
Really?
I am shockingly hairy.
Okay, we have to get you some pippies.
Literally, I'd be
So
like,
you can give it a
guys, you're
go."
going to have to go all day looking for pippies because I'm going to need a lot. So that was for your eyebrows or little armpit hairs or pube hairs?
Yeah, the girls are using them down there. But you don't have a mirror, so it's really like, I mean, they do it to each other.
Yeah. You bend over. If I can see any sprouts coming out the back, then you just yank them.
It's really tough not having a razor on there. Like, I was freaking out. I've never seen my legs so hairy before.
Yeah,
I've lasered before, but it doesn't get everything. And at one point I was like, I can't wear a bikini anymore.
I'm hairy. Chewbacca, and I'm on television. I wouldn't even want to be this hairy.
That's it. It's on TV. Like, you can't.
And you don't forget. I know with some shows you forget that.
I forgot I was on TV a lot of the time.
Okay.
And yeah, you do kind of forget that what you look like, or worry about what you're looking like because you are so focused on the game. It is so intense in there. You're paranoid pretty much all the time.
Oh, I don't. And that sounds not nice.
It's awesome.
Oh, it's awesome?
Yeah, it's awesome.
I guess it's a once in a lifetime.
It's just different. Experience. It's just not real life.
Yeah, well, it's not.
Yeah. Yeah.
Did you do stuff prior, like go get your brows laminated? You did some beauty stuff?
I did. I made my hair all fresh extensions. I have all my extensions in there. They're so good.
That is the most high maintenance thing I've ever heard you say, that you wore your hair.
They're so good. You can't see them. And
it's not about seeing them. It's about the fact that you didn't have a brush.
I know. So what I took in there was a claw clip. Like, I wore a claw clip in my hair.
Part of your outfit.
And it wasn't great, but it did the job. I'd just sit there going, like, yeah.
Because was there a big like dreadlock in there somewhere?
No. Oh. I've got the bonds. They're tiny little bonds, and you can't see them. You can still, style your hair as normal. They're fantastic.
Oh, okay.
Yeah,
and
no, I didn't
do anything to your brows or lashes.
I dyed them.
Yeah,
just before I went in the hotel.
Perfect. So it would last.
It was fresh.
Yeah, good girl. How did your skin fare in there without using anything?
My skin was amazing. I mean, I couldn't see it, to be fair, but
it felt good.
It felt so good. I put it down to the fact that we weren't eating any sugars, carbs, fats, anything. It was rice, beans, and coconuts, and lots of salt water, I guess, and a bit of sun. I don't know. My skin
actually that makes sense.
My skin felt amazing.
And then
I don't know
wouldn't
what
have
it looks
had
like.
Everything.
Yeah, a lot of it. Yeah, it does come from the inside, I guess.
So you didn't get like a pimple or anything?
I might have. I couldn't really see, but no,
you can. Yeah, but you can feel.
You can feel it. So salt water really helps, and try and use like a little bit of sand to try and get if there's any dirt and stuff on your face because we don't have soap, and just getting my water bottle and trying to keep my face clean. After challenges, you're so sweaty and gross, and that's when you're prone to.
I bet that beach swim feels good afterwards.
So good. So good.
First thing you do when you leave the island, what is it?
Cry. No.
Cry. I feel like that's actually probably pretty normal because it's heightened. You are sleep deprived. You're hungry. You've been in a weird situation. Yeah. So I think cry is probably actually very realistic.
Yes, there was a bit of crying and a lot of scrubbing. It was hard. It took me so long to get all the charcoal and dirt out of my skin on my
Pores.
legs.
Yeah.
Like, because I'd spent a lot of time around the fire and it just was caked in there. It was so hard to get it off. It took many razor goes to get my.
You were shaving off layers of charcoal on your skin, not just hair.
The weirdest thing was looking in the mirror for the first time.
What did you think?
They like warn you. They're like, okay, there's going to be a mirror in here. Just it could be weird.
Did you go?
And it was
I'm beautiful.
terrifying.
I'm hideous.
It's super surreal. My freckles were freckling.
Well, if you'd been out in the sun, your freckles would have been like, "Hey sis, I'm here."
It was just a version of me that I've never seen.
I reckon a beautiful version.
No, I love
it. In your most natural state.
Just different.
Yeah. What was the main thing that you learnt from the whole experience?
I mean, a little bit cliche, but just kind of remember to be yourself, because you kind of you go in there with such an idea of who you want to be and who you want to portray, whether it's game strategy or not, or who what you want the world to see, like the version that you want the world to see. But it took a little bit of time when I was in there to kind of just be myself, and everything started going better when I did do that. So I think that was a big reminder, because we already know that. Be yourself.
No, but that is a really good point about that you go into different situations thinking, okay, this is the version of myself that I'm going to present to everyone. But in any area of life, or no matter what you're doing, you actually can't keep up that facade, and things are always better when you are just the person that you are.
It wasn't even that I couldn't keep up the facade. It was just when I started just letting it out more.
Being your silly self, I imagine.
Yeah, and other people were more accepting of that. So I need to be my silly bogan self.
Silly bogan dorky self. Has going so long without products changed anything in your routine?
I kind of embrace the minimalist makeup a little bit more. I know it doesn't look like that today because I've been on a shoot, but I love wearing, I wear my fake tan, and lately I've been avoiding using foundation a bit. I love using a cream bronzer and a bit of blush instead, and letting my freckles come out. I think that's been a big difference and shift in my beauty routine since the show.
What is your one non-negotiable beauty product or thing that you do?
Okay, so mascara, moisturizer, sunscreen, can't live without. Use 50 plus every day. And probably lip balm, Lano Lips.
Lano Lips.
Your girl gets crusty lips.
Do you have a favourite flavour? I love the peach myself.
There's a donut one.
Oh.
It's good. It's really good. But no, the sleep mask one is my favourite.
Oh, they're really good.
Juicy. Sorry, that's a gross noise to be doing on here. It's juicy.
It's yummy.